Hello, I'm here to talk about the Emergency Medical Consumables and Equipment Framework database that we put together at the Hub on behalf of the Ambulance Trusts. Essentially is a database of products linked to the suppliers, so users go through and look through the various items on the framework. So what I'm going to do is give you a quick overview of the system and just show you hopefully how easy it is to use. This is the homepage of the Emergency Medical Consumables and Equipment Framework database. It's been designed in a way that is user-friendly. You can click on the logo in the top right to get through to our website at the East of England Collaborative Procurement Hub as well. We do have a user guide on here. You can just click on the home icon to go back to the home page at any point, and you'll to return to the front page of the user guides, the refresh button. We have various options here, just how to basically navigate and filter within the database, the wording of each of the tabs, and how you export to Excel. Because obviously, especially if you're looking at a certain list of products, you might want to be able to export that data to Excel for you to use on your own system. If I click on the home icon, take us back to the home page. What we also have linked to here is a supplier list. Any of the suppliers, that any of the lots are included on here. You can filter this by supplier name, by contact name or contact role. On any of these boxes, if you click the down arrow, you can also type to search. So if I was to search for, say, Fenton, then you can just click on them and then you can filter just by that supplier. You can just clear that off. To get rid of that, you can also just scroll down if you just want to look down here. If you just need to get hold of a certain supplier, it's got the various contact details in there. So essentially, there's 4 lots on the database, but they essentially all work in the same fashion. If I, for example, go into consumable lot 1 by clicking on the icon, and within this, you have different ways that you can search within the system. So we have, first of all, category search. So if you were looking for a particular product category in emergency consumables, what you can do is break that category down and say it's within bandages. You could break that down again and then just click in other bandages. Filtering by that will show you any products that are available there within that category. You can filter on any level of category you like. So if we wanted to stay within bandages, or if we wanted to look at airway management as a category, or even if we want to just look at the whole of emergency consumables, we could do that and then just list every product down there. If we just click on the box, that will just show us all the products again. We also have a filterable supply list. So if you know you were looking for, say, products to do in surgical, you could click on surgical and that will show you every product to do with them. Yeah, again, just click here to click the selections. We also do have a dynamic search box. This search box will search all the various fields within there, but checking manufacturer's codes, description, unit supply, and a few of the other fields. So say we were looking for, say, masks. If we type mask in here, press return, it'll filter anything where it's got mask in the description. Similarly, if we were to clear that off, if we knew part of a product code, so say we knew that part of the product code contained 040, press return, it will show us anything where it has 040 within there. So if you just got part of a product code, or you just know the, say, supply chain NPC code, you could just put it in this search box and it will find the product for you there as well. What we can also do when searching through is we can look for a detailed product info, which is shown by this box here. So say if we were to select by supplier surgical, here's all the products that they supply. Say scrolling through here, we wanted to look at this product in particular. Once you selected the product, you need to click on it first. If you click on the detailed product info, this takes you to the product details. So it has all the descriptions, the different categories that it's in, the GTIN number, the supplier's SKU if it is different, the NHS supply chain NPC code, also any different banding information. So if there's different prices for different quantities supplied, you can find out the banding, what quantities are required by just hovering over the various boxes, just in the tooltips there. It also has the sizing information. What you also can do down on the bottom here, if the supplier has supplied a web page or picture, if you just click on the relevant box, it will just take you through to the web page of that product. So we can, again, check that is the product that we do indeed want to order from the supplier. When looking at this product as well, you'll notice you got these two almost traffic lights down the bottom. If there's a discount offered or an IP offered, these will show green. So then you'll be able to click on these as well and check out what the discount and IP offered is. If you just need to go back to the previous page, click on the back arrow, it will take us back through to this page here. So that essentially is a run through the database system. Like I said, it's been designed to be quite a simplified way of searching around and finding products. Do feel free to get in contact if you've got any questions. I hope that helps you use the system.